Yes or no? Right? We will think, Nasir, ये तो बहुत easy है. Like we know how to see time, right? Yes or no? है ना? All of us know. Raise your hand. All of us know. Okay. But there are few type of problems, okay, that is asked, and mainly it is related with the angles. Okay, mainly it is related with the angles. So before talking about this topic, before talking about the problems of this topic, let me ask you, right, some basic concepts. Now, first of all, we know that the smallest unit of time is second, है So I guess all of you know this. 1 hour is equal to how many seconds? Or 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? I guess we know,
Sir,
right?
3,600 seconds. 3,600 seconds.
Correct, right? So it is 3,600 seconds. Okay, so now if we talk about the clock, right? I'm talking about the wall clock, normal clock. So we know that in any clock we have 3 hands. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Can the smallest unit of time be millisecond?
See, again, right? It is microsecond also there, nanosecond is also there, right? ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है? So it's not that it can be just milli, but these are the multipliers, है ना? These are the multipliers. समझ में आ रहा है?
हाँ, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, but that would be second only, na? It's like second is the unit and the other thing is the multiplier that makes the unit lesser. For example, meter, है ना? So meter is the unit and kilo, hectare, centi, milli, micro, they are the multipliers. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes,
right?
sir. Okay, sir.
Now, my question is, if we talk about one day, start with basics, है ना? Basics. If we talk about one day, in one day we have how many hours?
24.
24 hours.
24 hours. Awesome, very good. But when you talk about 24 hours, so the hour hand, right? The hour hand will rotate how many times?
Sir, 1.
24.
Sir, 2.
Two
Sir,
times, right? Yes
Two
or no?
times.
It's the 12 hours.
Exactly. So I can say that the hour hand, you know, and will complete one rotation. Will complete one rotation in how many hours?
12 hours.
In 12 hours.
12 hours. 12 hours.
Very good, right? बहुत basic है ना? चलो. Now, in same way, if we talk about minute hand, है ना? Right? Minute hand. So what do you think? Minute hand, right, will complete one rotation, है ना? One rotation. In a what time?
1 hour.
So 1 hour.
1 hour. Awesome, right? These are the very basic thing, है ना? 1 hour. Now, when you talk about the second hand, right? I'll just write the same thing in, tell me.
In
1 minute.
1 minute.
1 minute.
1 minute.
Right. So I guess this is very basic. This is very basic that we already know. है ना? This is the very basic thing that we already know. Right? Now, how to use this? How to use this information? Okay. Now, we know that when you talk about one complete revolution, one complete rotation, है ना? Rotation is equal to how many degrees? Tell me, it is equal to how many degrees?
360.
360.
360.
360.
Very good. Very good. 360 degrees. Okay. So let us try to relate these two informations. Even though these two informations are very simple, right? Let us try to relate these two informations. For example, if I ask you, right? I'll just ask you. Okay. So right here. In 1 hour, right? And now our hand will make dash degrees.
30.
30 degrees.
30, yes or no?
30.
Right?
30.
Exactly, very good. So I guess all of you know this, right? Sir, in 12 hours, it makes 360 degree. So we know unitary method, right? In 1 hour, it will be 360
Sir,
by?
360 by 12.
Yes, 30 degrees, right? So 30 degree. Okay, awesome. In the same way, when you talk about this, 1 minute, in 1 minute, this is
Sir, 15.
in 1 minute, yes, right?
15
Now,
degrees.
minute hand will make dash degree,
15 degree. 15.
right? है ना? Very good. So everyone is getting this easily
Yes,
enough.
sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, 60 degree में, right? We know because 60 minutes
Yes,
means one
sir.
complete rotation, है ना? तो 60 minutes में 360 होता है. तो 1 minute में कितना होगा?
Sir, 360 by
6
60.
degrees.
6 degrees. Yes or no?
Sir, 6 degrees.
Got it? हाँ या
Yes,
ना?
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Right? Okay. Now when you talk about second, है ना? है ना? In 1 second, second hand will make what degree?
Sir, again 6 degrees.
Sir, 6 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Again
6
6
degrees.
degree. समझ में आ रहा है? I guess
Yes,
this is
sir.
clear. I guess this is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
If
clear.
if I ask you this, ठीक है सर, ये हमें समझ बहुत बेसिक है ना, हमें बस ये समझना है. अगर एक बार ये समझ में आ गया तो हमें कभी कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं होगी. If I ask you in 1 minute, right? Second hand will make,
6 degrees.
tell me, in 1 minute.
Sir,
In 1
360.
minute.
Sir. Sir, 360 degree. Sir,
360 degrees. Yes or no? Simple enough ना, ये तो
360
बेसिक का
degrees.
मैंने
Yes,
किया
sir.
है कि नहीं? बेसिक मैंने पूछ लिया.
Yes, sir.
बेसिक का पूछ लिया.
Yes, sir.
ओके, तो आई गेस सर ये तो समझ में आ गया है ना, ये समझ में आ गया, तो बहुत बेसिक है सर, राइट? बट इसका यूज कैसे करेंगे, इसमें सवाल कैसे आते हैं, दैट इज माय प्रॉब्लम, है ना? ना अब देखो,
Yes,
तो बहुत जेनरिक सवाल आता है ना, जो बहुत जेनरिक सवाल आता है. ओके, सी Ragini, it is depending on how much angle it is making, right, in one complete revolution. Okay, right, in one complete revolution. So when you talk about your minute hand, है ना, तो एक बार जब रोटेट करता है, पूरा रोटेट करता है, तो कितना टाइम होता है बताओ?
1 hour.
1
Sir,
hour,
1 hour.
which is means 60 minutes, right?
Sir, 60 minutes.
है ना? तो I can say 60 minutes is equal to 360 hours. Sorry, 360 degree. 60
Yes,
minutes
sir.
is equal to 360 degree. So 1 minute is equal to 360 by 60, which is 6 degrees. Got
Yes,
it?
sir.
है ना? Okay, चलो. तो ये सब समझ में आ गया? So this is
Yes,
about
sir. Yes,
time and
sir.
all. Okay. Now let us talk about, because again when we talk about this, it is depending on days also and everything, है ना? तो ये तो मुझे समझ में आ गया. Okay. Now let us talk about years. Years. So whenever we talk about years, we have two type of years, right? Your normal year, one is leap year. Yes or no? Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ordinary year
And leap year.
and leap year. So in ordinary year, how many days do we have?
365 days.
365. And in
Sir,
leap year,
360.
366. Okay, this is something that we know.
Yes, sir. We know.
Something that we know. Okay. Now, there's one term which is called as odd day. Odd day. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? Now,
Sir, पता नहीं.
नहीं मैं बता रहा हूँ, right? So suppose you talk about 365 days, है ना? 365 days. So 365 days is equal to how many weeks? Tell me.
52.
Sir, 52. 52.
So yes, it
52.
is divided by 7, है ना? So we will
Yes,
get
sir.
52, but we are left with some days. Yes or no?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Some remember.
Right? So what is that remainder in case of this normal ordinary year? Tell me. It will be 1 day, right?
Yeah, sir. 1 day.
Yes, sir.
है ना? So this is called your odd day. So odd day is basically in any given period of time, right? In any given period of time, the number of days more than complete week is your odd day. समझ में आया? For example, when
I didn't understand.
मैं बता रहा हूँ, मैं लिख रहा हूँ, odd day is, it is in any given period of time, in any given period of time Okay.
Sir, it could be January 1 or December 31.
No, again, listen, it is just the number of days. ठीक है? Right? The number of days right, more than the complete week. Complete week. Okay, is your odd day. समझ में आया? Right? For example, if
Yes,
you talk
sir,
about
understood.
if you're talking about 31 days, है ना? Month का बात कर रहे हो. एक जो month है इसमें 31 days है. Right? Example. A month in which 31 days. तो इसमें कितने odd days होंगे?
Sir, 1.
1 कैसे? Divide by 37 ना?
Oh, yeah, sir, yeah.
The 3.
3
Sir,
days.
3 odd days. 3
Yes,
odd
3
days.
odd days. Got it? Yes or no?
Yeah, sir, got it.
Divided by 7. As simple as that. So odd days depends on the duration, how much time you are considering. Okay, right. अब जो सबसे पहला सवाल आता है इसी इंफॉर्मेशन में जो सबसे पहला सवाल आता है, ठीक है, जो टाइप 1 आता है, दैट इज योर, देखो लेवल मतलब ए टाइप प्रॉब्लम, काउंटिंग ऑफ ऑड डेज. काउंटिंग ऑफ ऑड डेज पूछ देगा कि कितने ऑड डेज हैं, है ना? काउंटिंग ऑफ ऑड डेज. अब जैसे मैं तुमको सिंपल सा पूछ रहा हूँ, सिंपल सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ. जैसे मैंने बोला फर्स्ट ऑर्डिनरी ईयर में कितने ऑड डेज होते हैं?
Sir,
One.
1. Sir, 1.
Wait. Yeah. So just give me a minute. My handwriting is horrible. Okay.
Sir, are you using any other pen?
No. Ordinary year में 1 odd day. Yes or no? Total is 365 days. 365 by 7. Remainder will be 1. 1, right? So 1 odd day. Any issues? Now,
No,
if you talk about leap year, then
Sir, 2 odd
Sir,
days.
sir,
2 odd days. Yes or no? Simple.
sir, 2 odd days.
Yes. So I will just write like this. Leap year.
2 odd days.
2 odd days. Directly I can write now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So ये तो समझ में आ गया सर. Now when you talk about 100 years, tell me how many odd days? Take your time, everyone. How many odd days? 100 years, everyone.
365 into 100 by 7.
Think about it. How many odd days? Again, number of odd days can be more than 6. That's a common sense, no?
No, sir, it is
Right?
not.
Yes, because if it is 7, that will be a week. Yes or no? Right? So number of odd days cannot be more than 6. That's the common sense वाला question. है कि नहीं? Got it? Samarth, Hindu, everyone? Right? Akshit, solve, right? Solve. है ना? No random thing. I can tell you, right? You can remember. Shravya, अभी मैंने बोला ना कि odd day cannot be more than 6. Odd day, number of odd days, है ना? Odd days is less than equal to 6 and greater than equal to 1. है ना? Simple. Akshit, then it is wrong, Akshit. It is wrong then. Step by step. No. Vastav, it is wrong. Everyone think. वही बोल रहा ना कि बहुत सिंपल चीजें भी ना एग्जाम में जब आती है ना तो हमें दिक्कत होती है, राइट? थिंक अबाउट इट. ऐसे सवाल ही आते हैं, कितने ऑड डेज होंगे इतने ईयर में, इस ड्यूरेशन से ड्यूरेशन तक कितने ऑड डेज होंगे?
365 into 100 by 7.
अरे ऑब्वियसली यू आर नॉट इवन कंसीडरिंग द केस ऑफ, टेल मी, लीप ईयर्स भी तो होंगे ना?
Yes, sir.
है कि नहीं? Think. I did not get a single correct answer till now.
Sir, am I correct?
No, not yet, right? No one got the correct answer. Tanushree, that's wrong, Tanushree. Akash, that's wrong. That is the thing, right? है ना? Actually, you guys are doing something randomly. Okay. Now, Akash, how? That is correct. Akash is correct right now. ठीक है, अब देखो, everyone. Now, I'll tell you the approach. No, now I told you ना, it cannot be more than 6. It cannot be more than 6. अगर 6 ज्यादा हो जाएगा तो वो तो वीक बन गया ना. हाँ है ना. अगर 6 से ज्यादा हो गया तो वो वीक बन गया. And odd day is what? Odd day is number of days more than in a week. As simple as that. Okay. Now tell me, when you talk about 100 years, 100 years. Okay. Since now wrong. Let us see. 700 days में ordinary years कितने होंगे? Tell me. How many ordinary years we will have?
80.
76 ordinary years. Or 24 leap years.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Tell me. हाँ या
Yes,
ना?
sir.
That is the first thing that you have to consider. How? Divide 100 by 4. Yes or no? No, first year cannot be considered as leap year. Again, that's the thing, है ना? Right? First year, हाँ, you can say यहाँ पे नहीं consider किया leap year से. First year consider कर लेगा तो 75 और 25 हो जाएगा. But first year is not considered as leap year. ठीक है? Right? Usually first year consider नहीं किया जाता है. ठीक है? Right? Now, अब बताओ 76 ordinary years में कितने odd days होते हैं? Tell me. Simple. अब यहाँ से calculate हो जाएगा. बताओ इसमें कितने odd days होते हैं? करेक्ट, वेरी गुड रजत. सो इसमें होते हैं मेरे 1 odd day और इसमें होते हैं मेरे 2 odd day. सो 2 into 24 एंड दिस इज 76 into 1. सो टोटल नंबर यहाँ पे कितना हो गया? चल मी 76 plus 48 कितना हो गया? 124.
124.
But it is not the odd day, right? We have to divide it by
7.
7. So divide by 7. कितना हो गया?
5.
5. Got it? So we have 5 odd day.
Oh, yes, sir.
अब समझ में आया कि नहीं?
Oh, yes,
Everyone
sir.
got this? Everyone
Sir.
got this? Akash got this?
Sir, I didn't understood, sir. I got disconnected.
Okay. From where you did not get? Which step?
Sir, from starting.
Okay,
For
so
counting of odd days.
right. So
सर आपने मेरा सही क्यों बोला सर?
हम गुमराह करने के लिए. Okay. This is simple counting ना, right? This is simple counting, right? वास्तव 100 years में, right? Fourth year 4 साल के बाद पहला लीप ईयर आएगा, है कि नहीं? फिर 4 साल बाद तुम सिंपल डिवाइड कर लोगे तो तुमको कितना आएगा? 24 ही आएगा ना? 25 आएगा तो फर्स्ट हटा दोगे,
Correct, sir.
है कि नहीं? Got it? Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So see, so 100 years के लिए इतना हो गया. Now, how you can use this directly now? Now, if you talk about 200 years, कितना हो गया बताओ? 200 years.
So 3.
श्राव्या 4 साल के बाद लीप ईयर आता है ना श्राव्या, right? Yes or no? So in every 4 years, right? If you think about it, na 100 divided by 4, 25, 75, right? But since first year is not a leap year, okay, that is 24. तो बच्चे कितने ईयर हो जाएंगे रागिनी? बच्चे कितने ईयर होंगे बताओ? Right? If you divide 100 by 4, so it is 25. But first, right? First year is not a leap year, right? So it will be 24. Now 24 years leap year, तो 100 साल में से 24 leap year, तो बच्चा कितना हो जाए? That's a basic calculation, na? Right? 100 minus 24 is 76. As simple as that. Got it? Okay. Now in 200 years, now tell me, in 200 years, how many odd days? In 200 years, how many odd days? Tell me, easy enough? So it is 5 into 2
10.
by 7, which is equal to what? 3 odd days.
Yes, sir.
Because 10 तो होता ही नहीं है ना, 10 होता ही नहीं है. Common sense. Yes or no? Right? Easy enough? अब चलो बताओ, अब एक चीज बताओ, अगर तुमसे पूछा जाए 400 years, then tell me. बताओ 400 years. ये catch है. This is the catch. That's what I'm saying.
Sir, 1.
This is the catch, right? This is the catch.
Sir, 6.
No, again, this is the catch. देखो यही बात है ना, इसलिए मैं बता रहा हूँ यहाँ पे ये कैच है इसलिए बिकॉज राइट. ओके मैं बता रहा हूँ 300 years में कितना हो जाएगा. लेट अस सी फॉर 300 years फर्स्ट. 300 years फर्स्ट. 300 years में कितना हो जाएगा बताओ.
So 1 odd day.
1 odd day. Yes, है ना, 1 odd day. Now if you calculate like that, right, if you calculate like that, देखो 400 years. I'll tell you the reason for 400 years. So you will do this 5 into 4. Yes or no? हाँ ना?
हाँ sir, 5 into 4.
Right. But whenever you talk about 400, 800, 1200, it's multiple of, ये ध्यान देना, multiple of 4. एक लीप ईयर एक्स्ट्रा ऐड होता है. समझ में आया कि नहीं? Right? So एक ऑड डे एक्स्ट्रा ऐड होता है. समझ में आया? That is the thing that you have to remember. ठीक है, एक ऑड डे एक्स्ट्रा ऐड होता है. Right? Now tell me, it is what? 21/7, which is 0 odd days.
Yes sir, 0 odd days.
Yes. So 400 years बोल लो या 800 years बोल लो या 1200 years बोल लो. Right? है ना? All have 0 odd days.
0 odd days.
0 odd days. Right?
Yes sir, got it.
Okay. Now these informations, right? These informations you have to use directly. ठीक है? अब जैसे तुमसे सिंपल सवाल पूछा जाता है. Okay. तुमसे सिंपल सवाल पूछा जाता है कि इतने दिन में बताओ कितने ऑड डे होंगे, है ना? या कभी पूछा था कि इस डेट, इस ईयर का ये डेट कौन सा डे होगा. नहीं, एक तो एक ऑलरेडी एडेड है ना. देखो एक जब तुम कैलकुलेट करो तो एक तो ऑलरेडी एडेड हो रहा है. राइट? एक ही एक्स्ट्रा हुआ ना कृतज्ञ, एक ही एक्स्ट्रा है ना. राइट? है कि नहीं? ऑर्डिनरी से एक एक्स्ट्रा होता है ना, है कि नहीं? ओके, सो ये समझ में आ गया, ऑड डे समझ में आ गया. नाउ व्हाई इट इज दैट, आई विल टेल यू. राइट? सो द थिंग इज whenever we talk about years, we start with like your normal English calendar, which is like 180, है ना? Our everything start with 180, right? January 180. Yes or no? Our calendar starts with January 180. Yes, right? Shravya, it is basic calculation. Shravya, अब बताओ, एक चीज बताओ, 100 को तुम डिवाइड करोगे 4 से, कितना होगा? 25 होगा. सिंपल. यस और नो? राइट? है ना? यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But whenever we talk about leap year, we don't consider from first year, है ना? 4 से पहला, फिर पहला, फिर पहला, फिर पहला. So when you talk about 100 years, right, it will have 24 leap years. Okay, excluding the first one. अगर तुम पहले ईयर को लीप ईयर मान लोगे,
But we will start from the 4th year then and end with the 100th year.
नहीं, that is the thing ना, right? When 100th year is not your leap year. Now think about it, because first year is not your leap year, right? Okay, and this is how we, your time में क्या होता है ना, टाइम में एक्चुअली क्या होता है कि इट्स नॉट कि, मैं बता रहा हूँ, टाइम में ऐसा नहीं होता कि एक दिन अचानक बढ़ जाता है. इट्स टाइम, कुछ दिन बढ़ता है जिसको हम लोग 4 क्वांटिटी में बढ़ा देते हैं. इट्स लाइक एवरी ईयर टाइम गेट्स इंक्रीज बाय अ फ्यू आवर्स, उसको हम एक्यूमुलेट करके चौथे साल में बढ़ा देते हैं. तो 100th ईयर,
hours बढ़ते हैं सर.
यस, 100th आवर में सेम चीज होता है. 100th ईयर जो होता है ना, 100th ईयर में सेम चीज होता है. सो 100th ईयर, 200th ईयर, 300th ईयर, समझ में आ रहा है ना श्राव्या? सो 300th ईयर तक का जो एक्स्ट्रा होगा ना उसको हम लोग डायरेक्टली 400th ईयर में डाल रहे हैं. समझ में मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? राइट, दैट इज व्हाई इट इज 24 and 76. इट इज नॉट
सर
जस्ट
फोर्थ वाला हमारा लीप ईयर होगा ना सर?
हाँ, फोर्थ वाला लीप ईयर होगा. ठीक है, राइट
सर तो अगर फोर्थ वाला लीप ईयर होगा तो सर 100
again
भी होगा ना
again
सर?
again it is not how it works, right? So like क्यों इतना दिमाग खराब करे अपना, है कि नहीं? इसमें आ रहा है ना, इसमें वो थोड़ा सा टाइम इंक्रीज हो के वो 400th में जाता है. ठीक है, like it is how it is made, right? Honestly speaking, I never like did lots of research in this. ठीक है, like problem solving के लिए आता है, ठीक है, right? Okay, it is how it is taken, है ना? Because actually अगर देखा जाए ना तो 31 days कुछ आवर्स एक्यूमुलेट हो के हम लीप ईयर में आते हैं. फिर कुछ एक्यूमुलेट होके, जैसे यहाँ पे एक और तुम सवाल पूछ सकते हो, ठीक है, 400 में मैंने एक एक्स्ट्रा क्यों नहीं ऐड किया? सेम थिंग विथ लीप ईयर, राइट? सो जैसे 100, 200, 300 उसमें कुछ एक्स्ट्रा ऐड होता है, वो हम 400 में डायरेक्टली ऐड कर दे रहे हैं. ठीक है, सो दिस इज हाउ इट इज लाइक मेड. ठीक है, तो ये बस जान लो कि 100 ईयर्स में इतने होते हैं और इतने ऑर्डिनरी होते हैं. ठीक है, ओके, ज्यादा दिमाग लगाना ही नहीं है, राइट? बिकॉज दिस इज अ फैक्ट ना. कृष्णा, तुम इतना लेट जाओगे तो कैसे बच रहेगा? ऑड डे कैसे होता है? थोड़ा सा वीडियो बाद में देख लेना, राइट? है कि नहीं? बेसिकली ऑड डे इज द एक्स्ट्रा डे आउट ऑफ द वीक. ठीक है, सो नाउ थिंक अबाउट इट. मैं बताऊँ ना, इसमें बहुत कुछ है जो हमें समझ लेना है. जैसे देखो, आप जब बात कर रहे हैं, सिंपल, जब बात करते हैं 180 जनवरी 180 से स्टार्ट करते हैं ना. सो द थिंग इज कि ये जो है स्टार्ट हुआ तो स्टार्ट विथ मंडे. ठीक है, राइट? ओके, सो इफ इट स्टार्ट विथ मंडे, है ना, राइट? सो वी शुड काउंट फ्रॉम, टेल मी, तुमको समझ में आ रहा है कि हुआ क्या? मंडे से स्टार्ट हुआ, बट whenever we talk about the start of the week is, tell me, Sunday.
Sir, Sunday.
Right, so Sunday is considered as 0 odd day.
Sir, it is not an odd day.
अरे मतलब संडे, अगर तुम्हारा संडे है ना, संडे फिर 0 हो जाएगा, फिर मंडे फर्स्ट होगा. मैं एक वीक कंप्लीट हो गया ना, इट्स लाइक दैट, राइट? है ना, एक वीक कंप्लीट हो गया, सो मंडे इज कंसिडर्ड एज फर्स्ट ऑड डे.
Okay, sir.
समझ में आया?
हाँ sir.
Right, so Tuesday, second and so on. ठीक है? For example, when you talk about February, है ना, Feb, तो Feb में normally कितने days होते हैं? 28. So usually ये क्या odd day देगा क्या? There was 7. You will get 0, right? So usually it will not give, again, usually ordinary year में, it will not give any odd day, है ना? But when you talk about leap year, leap year में it is 29 days. So it will give you 1
Yes, sir, it will give.
Okay, right, है ना? तो अगर यहाँ पे तुमसे सवाल पूछा जाए, think about it. The problem is like this, everyone. Think about it. The problem is like this. Okay, tell me, 15th August 1947 is, or it was which day? 1947, my bad. 1947 was on which day? Tell me. ये पूछा गया. Which day?
Sir, which day मतलब Monday, Tuesday?
Monday, Tuesday, yes. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday में कौन सा डे था? Think about it. 15th August 1947. क्योंकि देखो, अगर पता होता है ना तो ये बहुत सिंपल बन जाता, नहीं पता होता है ना तो फिर तुक्का मारते रहोगे तुम लोग। Tell me, this is type 1 problem. Wrong, Krishna, it is wrong. Everyone, tell me. Adrian, Adarsh, Anvit, Anvita, Jelin, Tagya, Navya, Vihan. No, one day it will be, na, right? How come it will be one day? Okay, Janvi? No, Bindu? No, Nanya? So first of all, सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? Step, right? Step 1. We will see, okay, Mohil, correct, Mohil? We will see this year, 1947. It is 1947 years, right? है ना? 1947 years. So we know that I can easily reduce 1600 years because we know for first 1600 years, 0 odd day.
Yes, sir.
As simple as that. Yes or no? काम खत्म. Yes or no?
Sir, 347.
Right? Then, no, not 347. It is actually 346 years plus few months, right? So not 347. आप समझ में आ रहा है? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
Right? है कि नहीं? Plus like 15th अगस्त तक जो डेट आया, तो हम ईयर्स की पहले बात करें, बाद में मंथ का देखेंगे, पहले ईयर्स का देखते हैं. Now when you're 356, it is basically 300 years plus 46 years. Okay, no, Brinda. Now 300 years में how many odd days? Tell me, 300 years में how many odd days? We know, right? We know that 300 years
One.
में, right? 5 odd days होता है 100 years में. 300 years में 15 by 7, 1 odd day.
1.
Correct. Now when about 46, ठीक है, तो यही जो चीज है ना, 46 में लीप ईयर कितने होंगे? बताओ, तुम डिवाइड कर दो और एक कम कर दो, इसमें कितने होंगे, कितने लीप ईयर होंगे? 11 लीप ईयर,
Yes.
राइट? 11 लीप ईयर. और ऑर्डिनरी ईयर कितने हो जाएंगे? 35. ना लीप ईयर ऑड डे होते हैं, लीप ईयर में कितने ऑड डे होते हैं? 2 odd days.
Sir, 2.
So it is 2 into 11. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ये कितना होगा? 35 into 1. तो बताओ 346 years में कितने odd days हो गए?
Sir, 6.
अरे 1 plus 22 plus 35 कितना हो गया? Tell me. 22, देखो 22 plus 35 कितना हो गया? 57.
Sir, 55.
57 divided by
Sir, 1 odd day होगा.
1 plus 1 कितना हो गया? 2.
2.
So it is 2 odd day. Yes or no? Any
Yes,
issues till
sir.
this point? Any issue till this point?
No, sir.
Okay. Now अब देखो यहाँ पे, अब क्या है? January to August. कृष्णा 58 again 58 by 7 भी क्या हो जाएगा? I'm considering इसको अलग से मैं ऐड कर रहा हूँ, इसको अलग से ऐड कर रहा था, राइट? बट अगर तुम 58 लिखोगे तो 58 divided by 7 will be 2 days only ना, तो सेम थिंग, राइट? ओके. नाउ जनवरी, अब देखो, अब ये जो है this 47th year is not a leap year. Yes or no? 47th year is definitely not leap year. So January to August, right? January to August. How many days? January कितना डे होता है? 31 days plus 28 days plus, tell me, 31 plus 30
31, 30, 31.
plus, है ना?
30, 31, 31.
plus last में 15
Sir,
ना, plus
15,
है.
15.
तो जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, राइट? सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ डेज कितने हो गए? ऐड कर लो.
So 227.
227, यस, एंड डिवाइड बाय 7 कितने हो गए? टेल मी, कितने हो गए? आई गेस
Sir, 3.
3 odd days.
Sir, totally 5 odd days.
यस. सो टोटल कितने odd days?
5 sir.
यस 5 ऑड डे मतलब कौन सा डे हो गया? फ्राइडे।
Friday.
Friday.
गॉट इट एवरीवन? अब मेथड समझ में आया कैसे बनाना है?
हाँ
राइट, एवरीवन गॉट दिस मेथड, है ना?
सर
रैंडमली करते तो मर जाते ना, है कि नहीं? शायद बनता ही नहीं। ओके, so let us see one more problem, everyone. Let us see one more problem, right? So let us calculate 20th June 1837. Which date is 20th June 1837? Step by step, everyone. Yes, Ragini, you can calculate any. See, I don't know how many of you seen this 150-year calendar, right? It is based on this only, na? Yes, yes, Krishna, correct. Yes, that's what we do first. Very good, Mohil. Correct, Mohil. Very good. Very good, Vikas. Correct. You calculated. You guys calculated, right? है ना? Mohil, Vikas. Very good. Yes, Akash. Start with year. So minus 1600. So it is 237. So it is 200 plus 37. 200 में कितना हो गया? Tell me, 200 में how many odd days? 200 how many odd days? 3 ना? 3, right? 3 odd days. 37 में कितने लीप ईयर हो जाएंगे? 37 में कितने लीप ईयर हो जाएंगे? 9 लीप ईयर plus 27 ordinary year. Right? So this will give what? 2 into 9 plus 27. So कितने odd days? Tell me, कितने odd days? So this will also give you 3 odd days. Yes or no? 4 कैसे हो जा रहा है? Because 5 होता है 100 years में, right? 200 इसमें 10 होता है. तो 10 by 7 will give you 3 only ना? क्या कर रहे हो? Right? So total हो गया 6 odd days. 6 odd days.
सर ईयर का आ गया
है ना? ईयर का आ गया 6 odd days. Yes or no? ईयर तक में 6 odd days आ गया. नो श्राव्या, यहां तक समझ में आया? श्राव्या, यहां तक समझ में आया? राइट? ओके, नाउ instead of calculating the whole number ना directly हम करते हैं. When you talk about this, think about it, everyone. Think about it. Okay, think about it. 37th year, is it a leap year? 37th year, is it a leap year? No.
नो सर
आकाश 237 years, भाई 237 years करना ही नहीं ना, 236 करना है ना. Actually this is actually 236. My bad. 236. My bad. Right? That's why it's 9 difference है ना. 237 करना ही नहीं है ना, 236 करना है. 7th year तो है ये. Right?
yes sir
बिंदु 36 डिवाइड बाय 4 कितना होगा बिंदु? 9 होगा ना. तो 9 लीप ईयर हो गया. 9 लीप ईयर हो गया तो 36 में से बाकी बचा वाली ईयर क्या होगा? ऑर्डिनरी ईयर. So 27 ordinary years. Right? Got it? हर लीप ईयर में 2 ऑड डे, राइट? एंड इसमें 1 ऑड डे. सो 18 plus 27 by 7, 3 odd
yes
day.
sir good
ना? ओके, नाउ जनवरी में कितना ऑड डे होता है? डायरेक्टली कैलकुलेट करेंगे. जनवरी में 31 होता है, तो 31 by 7, 3 odd day. डायरेक्टली याद कर लो. फेब में 0 odd day, जिसमें 31 का महीना होता है उसमें 3 odd day, जिसमें 30 का महीना होता है उसमें 2 odd days. तो मार्च also 3 odd day. April 2 odd day. May 3 odd day. राइट? और फिर आगे मेरा जून. जून में क्या है? 20 days. So 20 divided by 7. 20 divided by 7. So कितना हो गया? 6 odd days. So कैलकुलेट करो. 6 plus 3, 9 plus 2, 11 plus 3, 14 plus 3, 17 odd days. 17 odd days. और पहले कितना था? 6 plus 17 कितना हो गया?
सर मेरा पूरा हो गया।
ये 7 से डिवाइड कर दोगे तो कितना बचेगा? 3 है ना?
सर मेरा आंसर सही है।
So 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 divided by 7. So we'll be left with 2. So Monday, Tuesday. So it is Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday. Correct. Tuesday. Now अब बताओ इसमें अब बताओ अब समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? किसको समझ में नहीं आया बताओ? Now tell me. Now tell me. How many of you did not get this? Rajat, it is not 3. It is 3 odd day ना Rajat. क्या तुम क्या कर रहे हो? It is 3 odd day ना. It is 3 odd day, right? Remainder लिख रहे हैं ना. 17 by 7 का remainder क्या होता है Rajat? Tell me.
Sir, 3.
3. Now 36 minus 9 is 27 ना बिंदु?
I got it, sir.
क्या कर रहे हो बिंदु? आप कर रहे हो तुम तो? थर्टी सिक्स डिवाइड बाय 4 कितना होता है रोहन? टेल मी रोहन, 36 डिवाइड बाय 4 कितना होता है? 9 होता है ना? तो 36 ईयर कंप्लीट हो चुका है ना रोहन? यस और नो? 36 ईयर चल नहीं रहा ना, 36 ईयर कंप्लीट हो चुका है. गॉट इट? राइट, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज 9 लीप ईयर. ओके चलो, so this is clear, yes or no? Right? So I guess all of you understood this calendar wala problems. Yes, everything है ना? So this is how we calculate, right? This is how we, जो future का day होता है, past day का calendar बनता कैसे है? Because of this, ठीक है? Right? Obviously सबको याद तो नहीं रहता है, तो you can also make your calendar, ठीक है? Right? You can say कि इस दिन क्या date था, क्या था, you can easily calculate, है ना? Like I learned this in class 5th and I was like hot shot. I was like बताओ क्या दिन चाहिए? I'll tell. So it was like a magic. It was like a magic trick for them, for my batchmates, right? But it is not magic, right? It is basic, है ना? Got it? Right? I kind of, tell me which year, which day you want. I'll tell you which day it is. You can cross check. Divide by this, na? Divide by 400, na? Divide by 400 first. Easy enough. First, whatever number is, divide by 400. Okay, anyways. So this is about the calendar. Now time wala. Time wala we have discussed. Okay. अब देखो time wala we continue time wala. So now एक चीज बताओ. So we calculated how much minute hand will shift in 1 minute. How much hours hand will shift in 1 hour. Now my question is this. Tell me, in 1 minute, right? How much hour angle will make?
क्या सर?
In 1 minute, how much hour angle will hour? In 1 minute, how much hour hand? Wait, I have written something else. I was thinking something, I wrote something. Okay, in 1 minute, how much our hand will make? Tell me. Correct. Very good. So we know, right? We know 1 hour is equal to how many hours? 1 minute is equal to how many hours? 1 minute is equal to how many hours?
1 by 60.
1 by 60 hour. Correct. Sorry, 1 by 60, है ना? 1 by 60 hour. And 1 hour, we know 1 by 60. And 1 hour make how many angle? How much angle? It is 360 by 12. Right? 360 by 12.
30.
360 by 12 into 1 by 60. So कितना हो जाएगा बताओ?
Sir,
1 by
360 by
2, 0.5 degrees.
360 by, I guess, sir.
है ना? Any issues in that? Any issue in that? Now, why I'm saying this? Why I'm saying this? So think about it. Think about it. If I ask you this, what is the angle? What is the angle gained by okay, minute hand over hour hand in 1 minute? Tell me, what's the angle difference? 1 मिनट अगर होता है ना टाइम, तो एंगल मिनट हैंड और आवर हैंड के बीच का एंगल डिफरेंस कितना होगा? Tell me. Let me see how many of you can answer this correctly. Because that is the thing, right? If you understand this thing now, then your problem would be way too easy. कहीं भी रहना एक साथ स्टार्ट होता है ना, एक साथ स्टार्ट होता है, मतलब मान लो तुम यहाँ से स्टार्ट करो, doesn't matter where it starts, right? It's always relative ना, right? But let us start with 12, right? हम लोग जब measure करते हैं तो let us start with 12 only ना. Okay, so let us start here only. So suppose this is your minute hand, right? Green color का है ना, and then you have, suppose this hour hand, blue color का, ठीक है, right? Now 1 मिनट में दोनों के बीच में एंगल कितना होगा? 1 मिनट में? No, Krishna, no. Obviously, that is absurd answer. That is absurd answer. Think about it, na Krishna. No, Kratagya, no. लेकिन इसलिए बोलता हूँ ना, कॉमन सेंस यूज करो तुम लोग, कॉमन सेंस यूज करो, बहुत सिंपल है ये. 1 मिनट में कॉमन सेंस यूज करो, कॉमन सेंस. Very good, Rohan. Correct, Rohan. Correct, Rohan. Rohan is the only person who gave correct answer. 1 minute का बात करो, 1 minute का. सिंचना, no, 1 minute का बात करो. क्वेश्चन समझो. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 मिनट में दोनों के बीच डिफरेंस कितना होगा? So tell me, see how easy it is. 1 minute में मिनट हैंड कितना कवर करेगा? In 1 minute, minute hand cover how many, what angle? इसलिए मैंने स्टार्टिंग में लिखवाया था 6 degrees. Yes or no? 360
सर मेरा सही है क्या?
6 degrees. Yes or no? हाँ या ना? Yes. अभी सब सही आंसर दे रहा है, right? Yes or no? Now in 1 minute, our hand cover how much degrees? अभी मैंने कैलकुलेट किया 0.5. तो दोनों के बीच में डिफरेंस कितना हो गया? ये 6 डिग्री आगे गया और ये 0.5 डिग्री आगे गया. तो डिफरेंस इज 5.5 डिग्री. अब समझ में बताओ, यस और नो? सिली मिस्टेक कर रहे थे कि नहीं तुम लोग? राइट? बेसिक कॉमन सेंस है ना, इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि जब तक प्रैक्टिस नहीं होता, ये सब मैथ में आता है, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग में आता है, राइट? तो हम लोग गलत करते हैं. लॉजिकल रीजनिंग इसी को तो बोलते हैं, है कि नहीं? कॉमन सेंस. नो फॉर्मूला, कॉमन सेंस. No, I can do this anytime, na? Anytime, yes or no? Right? Any issue in this? Tell me. Okay, चलो अब इस पूरे कॉमन सेंस से यूनिटरी मेथड यूज करके एक सवाल का जवाब दो. दैट वुड बी द लास्ट प्रॉब्लम ऑफ टुडेस क्लास. नेक्स्ट क्लास में इन दोनों को मिला के मैं काउंट करूंगा, ठीक है? राइट? और काउंट में बीच में रख दूंगा, जिनको देना है वो दे देंगे, जिनको नहीं देना होगा वो असाइनमेंट की तरह दे देंगे, राइट? लाइक not tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I'll just make one count. If you want to play, you can play, join and play for 30 minutes, or you can give it. It's fine. ठीक है? It will be 30-minute count on this topic. So सवाल ये है, thing is this: at what time? At what time? At what time? Between 4 and 5. At what time between 4 and 5 will the hands, अब यह मिनट और आवर की बात हो रही है, सेकंड की बात ही नहीं हो रही है, ठीक है, ऑफ वॉच okay, points in opposite direction. Okay, now whenever you try to solve this problem, now try to imagine first. Just मान लो तुम्हारा घड़ी है ये, है ना? Right? Suppose this is your watch. Okay, so we know, just divide into this. Right? 12, 3, 6, 9, 4, 5. So I'm concerned with this 4 and 5, right? So it is said that, okay, एक ऐसे तो एक ऐसा होना चाहिए. Yes or no? This is what it means, right? This is what it means. है ना? No, Niketan, no, exact. It is way too random. Tell me. All of you understood this, right? That, okay, this is the difference of 30 minutes. Yes or no? यहाँ से यहाँ तक का difference is 30 minutes. Yes or no? Do you get this? Do you get this or not? Tell me. First thing. Yes or no? Right? This is a hint. Now solve. This is the hint. Now you solve. No, Brinda, no. It is close, right? I agree, it is close, right? You guys are really close. 440, 55 is close. Approximate hota, that's the correct answer. But exact nikalna hai.
Sir, मेरा
453, it is close to 455, that's correct. It is very close to 455, but exact nikalna hai, exact. Okay, right. So I will tell you the exact answer. The exact answer is, now think about it. We know that this angle is 30 degree, right? I can say that hands are opposite to each other. Okay, right? When there's a space of of what? At least 30 degree. Yes or no? Make sense? Correct, Pratagya. Very good. Correct. That's the correct answer. That's the correct answer. Right? Can you explain, Pratagya? Tell me. I've given till this point. Can you explain? Pratagya, can you explain? Can you speak? How you got this? Tell me. Okay, I will explain. I will explain. Now tell me, 12 to 4, how many minutes? Tell me, 12 to 4, how many minutes? 12 to 4, if minute hand is coming from 12 to 4, how many minutes?
Sir, 240.
अरे minutes, अरे 12 से
Sir,
12 से
20.
4, 20 minutes, right? है ना, 20
20
minutes. So यहाँ तक already 20 minutes था, यहाँ तक already 20 minutes था, और यहाँ से फिर 30 minutes का space लिया, 30 minutes का space लिया, तो total minutes कितने हो गए? Tell me. What is the difference? Tell me. So minute hand should gain how many minutes? Tell me. 50 minutes, yes or no? Because 30 का space plus 20, तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक आ गया. Yes or no? Tell me. श्राव्या, 20 यहाँ से यहाँ तक आने में उसको 20 लगा ना, फिर यहाँ से 30 शिफ्ट हुआ ना, तो 50 तो होगा ना. Yes or no? Right? Yes or no? 10 क्यों कर रही हो श्राव्या? Why you are adding 10? Why you are adding 10? Now think about it ना. 10 को तो पूरा 5 बज जाएगा, right? है कि नहीं? है ना? ठीक है, 5 बज जाएगा. मैं सिंपली बता रहा हूँ 15 मिनट्स है, तो there's a difference, right? There's a difference. But उतने टाइम में ये RN भी घूम रहा है ना, RN भी घूम रहा है. So 50 मिनट के स्पेस में, if you require a space of 50 minutes, right? है ना? If you require a space of 50 minutes, so that's the first calculation. We know that in 6 minutes of minute hand, in 6 minutes of minute hand, difference between the minute hand and R hand is 5.5, right? Degree. Yes or no? Right? So in 6 degrees of minute hand, 6 degrees of minute hand, difference is 5.5 degree. Yes or no? In 1 minute. In 1 minute. Yes or no? Simple calculation. Right? So don't you think, sir, in 50 minutes, if minute hand to gain 15 minutes, it should be 50 into 60 by 55. ये इतना आगे होना चाहिए. Right? So कितना हो जाए बताओ? I guess all of you can calculate right now. Yes or no? All of you can calculate. Yes or no? है ना? So this is equal to what? 54 into 6 by 11 minutes. Yes. है ना? 54 6 by 11 minutes, which is 600 by 11, which is 6 by 11 minutes. Got it? Tell me. Yes or no? Everyone got this? Raise your hand. Shravya, Ragini, Darshan, Brinda, Bhumika, Avyay, Avni. Right? समझ में आ गया सबको ना? Because यही तो हम लोग गलती करते हैं. हम लोग ये नहीं इमेजिन करते हैं कि ये R जो हैंड है वो भी तो आगे मूव कर रहा है ना, ये भी तो कुछ मूव करेगा, राइट? यूजुअली अगर ये 4 पे रहता और ये 5 पे रहता, 450 में हम लोग जब 450 लिख रहे हैं तो 450 में क्या होता? We assume our hand to be at 4 only, but क्या वो 4 पे रहता है? नहीं ना, वो तो आगे बढ़ जाता है ना. Yes or no? अब समझ में आना क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Shravya, you got this? Sinchana, Vikas, Anvita, Siddharth, Avni, Jalin. Okay, chalo. Okay, guys. So that's it for today's class. I hope all of you understood this. हाँ है ना? I'll just send you the recording. जिसका छूट गया वो एक बार देख लेना. Right? परसों हम इस पे काउंट करेंगे. ठीक है? I'll try to give some problems also. 10th वालों के लिए already uploaded है. Just go through that. ठीक है? चलो. Okay guys. Bye everyone. Take care. Bye bye. Right? Bye everyone.